Have you ever wondered what happens inside your body the moment life ends? Most people think death is instant, but your body continues a series of shocking events for minutes after you die. From your brain still firing to cells desperately fighting for survival, the first 5 minutes after death are far from quiet. Today we'll uncover exactly what your body goes through and some things even scientists find unbelievable. Every second counts and your body reacts in ways that seem almost supernatural. What you are about to hear will change how you see life and death itself. Brain activity after death. Immediately after death, your brain doesn't just shut off. Some parts remain active for several minutes, sending random electrical signals. These signals can cause vivid hallucinations, strange sensations, or even near-death experiences reported by survivors. Certain neurons in the brain remain alive for up to 10 minutes after clinical death, continuing to fire in a chaotic, unpredictable pattern. During this time, the brain can replay fragments of memories, images, and sensations, a final processing of the life that was. Scientists are still studying why these bursts happen, but they are a striking reminder of how complex and resilient the brain truly is. Heart and circulation. Your heart stops beating, but blood doesn't immediately stop flowing. Tiny vessels continue pushing blood for several minutes. This can cause your body to twitch or gasp, small movements that can appear shocking or even eerie. These movements are known as postmortem reflexes. They are not life-returning, they are automatic nerve responses. Even in the absence of a heartbeat, the body continues to react. It's a final silent struggle that occurs deep inside, completely unnoticed by the living. Cellular fight for survival. Even after death, your cells fight to survive. Oxygen depletion triggers a cascade of chemical reactions inside your body. Certain cells in vital organs like skin, hair, and neurons survive for hours after clinical death. This is why hair and nails may appear longer, although it's actually the skin retracting. Inside each cell, metabolic processes continue briefly, a desperate attempt to maintain life. It's a silent battle that the human eye can never see, but it's happening constantly during the first few minutes after death. Extreme body reactions. Some bodies exhibit sudden jerks, muscle spasms, or fleeting facial expressions minutes after death. These are postmortem reflexes caused by nerves firing spontaneously. No life has returned, yet the body moves as if it were alive, reacting to its own chemical and electrical signals. Imagine being in extreme environments, deep underwater or in the vacuum of space. Without oxygen, the body reacts violently in a final, automated attempt to survive. These extreme reactions remind us that the human body is a highly reactive system, even in the moments we consider lifeless. Brain's final memories. During the first few minutes after death, the brain may replay vivid memories, hallucinations, or sensations of light. Some researchers believe this is the brain's last effort to process life's experiences, almost like a final journey before shutting down completely. These mental flashes could explain the near-death experiences reported by people who briefly returned from clinical death. Every neuron, every synapse continues to fire in this extraordinary final act of the body's internal machinery. Space and ocean survival. Now imagine the human body outside Earth. In deep space without a protective suit or in the crushing depths of the ocean. In these environments, oxygen deprivation is extreme, and yet nerve and cell reactions continue briefly. In the deep ocean, extreme pressure can crush organs while cells stubbornly continue their fight for survival for a few minutes. In space, the absence of atmosphere causes blood vessels to rupture and fluids to boil. Yet brain and nerve reactions may continue for moments. The human body is astonishingly resilient, even in conditions it was never meant to survive. The silent dance of life and death. The first minutes after death are a silent, complex dance. Brain activity, heart and vessel reactions, cellular survival, and nerve-driven movements all continue in a precise, hidden sequence. These events challenge everything we think we know about life and death. Even when the world sees stillness, inside the human body, life lingers for moments that can be measured, studied, and marveled at. It is a reminder that the body is far more intricate and resilient than we ever imagined. In closing/outro, the human body is truly mysterious. Even in death, it continues a hidden struggle for life that lasts minutes, sometimes hours. These reactions are silent, unnoticed, and yet incredibly complex. If you found this shocking, make sure to like this video, and we will explore what happens to humans in outer space and in the depths of the ocean. Discoveries that push the limits of life and science. Stay curious and remember, the human body is never truly quiet, even when we think it has stopped.